Hello guys, so guys again I am here for you and today I will show you another feature in Create Studio, and that is how can our character speak. Okay, so the first we choose some of the background and then we will choose one of the character, suppose this one, and after that we will what you can say, uh, we will change his face and we will edit this character. Suppose he's standing here and now we change his look. um, okay, his face like this, and here's also like this. Okay, so now when you click on sound and you go to speech, so we have here AI speech and the Google speech. Google speech is the free one, and here you whatever you write, and you can choose the lady voice or the male voice, and you can adjust the stability and the clarity and generate speech. And also the Create Studio give you this too many males and females voices, and you can use this one. Okay, also you can record your voice and you can use in your video. So this is mono and stereo. So I think stereo, most of the people use stereo and then start recording, and you can use it. If you have another file, so you can import the file from the um, computer and then you can use it. So now suppose I am using this and I'm writing, I am John and I bought this car from my earning. So whatever you can uh, on YouTube, suppose. Okay, so now you can see there is the characters. You can see the preview and listen the which voice is suitable for you. Suppose Anthony, we take it, we can set the stability and this, and then click on generate speech. This will generate speech and then you can see the preview. So preview will show you how the sound will come, then you can import. The import sound you can put it here, and after that once you play this, so you see this guy is quiet and there is the problem. What you have to do here, you will click on it and you will click on sync with Tom. Okay, so once you click sync with Tom, then he will start talking. Otherwise he will not start, because there if there are two or three or more than the three or four characters, so you have to sync with which character is talking in which time. Okay, because by default is no lip sync. If you will not choose this, so your character will not speak. So that was the problem. And here also, as I told you, there is the record option. You can record your voice and you can put here, but still when you put your sound here, you have to sync with Tom or sync with whatever character you have it. And I hope it will work. If you have still any problem, so you can ask me in the comment box. So if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and take care till the next video. Bye.